Good afternoon, children. In the last class, I told you about dictionary, how to create the dictionary, how we will travel in the dictionary. Now, in this class, I will tell you about the different functions of dictionary. Dictionary also has some ready-made functions like list and tuple. So the first function is length. Okay, so length. Length function is used to count the elements in the list and it will return the length of the dictionary. Suppose the dictionary D has, this is a dictionary which has 1 B is the key and its value is 20. So it has two elements. So if I say length of D, so it will give you 2. Okay. So the next function is clear. So clear function is used to remove all the elements from the dictionary. It will be used to remove all the elements from the dictionary. So we will use this like this, D dot clear. If I say D dot clear, so this dictionary has two elements, A and B is the key and it has value 1 and 20. If I say D dot clear, so it will return you a empty dictionary. Let's see all these things practically also. Okay. Okay. Let's see this thing practically. Now D equal to, suppose I create a dictionary, D equal to A is my key and 20 is my value. Okay. Now the next key is B and its value is suppose 50. Okay. Now if I say length of D, so it will give you 2. Now I say D dot clear. D dot clear. So it will delete all the elements and you will get a empty dictionary. So all the elements has deleted from the list and you will get a empty dictionary. Now what is the next function? The next function is get. Okay. So the next function is get. Third function is get. Okay. Get function will return the value. Whatever key I give here, it will return the value of that key. Suppose if I say get A, so it will return you d dot d by dictionary d dot get A. So it will return you that value. So its value is, suppose in this example the value of A is 1. So it will return you 1. Okay. Just see this practically also. Suppose this is my dictionary. This is my dictionary and I say d dot get. Okay. What value I want to get? I say A. So it will give you 20. Okay, so whatever key I provide here, it will get the value of that key. Okay, the next function is items. Okay, so this function is used to return all the items. Okay, so this function, what this function will do, this function is used to return all the items. If I say d dot fourth function, this is the fourth function, d dot items. Okay, so it will return all the items. That means key and value, key comma value. Okay, key comma value, tuple comma tuple, a list of tuple, it will return in the form of key and value. Just see this practically also. If I say d dot items, okay, so it will give you key and value. So you can see here a key value 20 hai, p key value 50 hai. So it returns key and value in the form of tuple. So a list of tuple you will receive from this. Now what is the next function? Our next function is keys. Okay, so as its name suggests, it will return you all the keys. Okay, d dot keys. If I say fifth function is d dot keys. Okay, so d dot keys, it will return all the keys of your dictionary. Okay, so सब इसमें क्या क्या की थी हमारी? इसमें हमारी एक लिस्ट दे देगा हमको. पहली की A है, दूसरी की B है. Okay, so it will return a list of keys. And the next function is values. Okay, so this function is used to return all the values. This function returns the keys and this function returns the values. If I say d dot keys, d dot values, if I say, okay, d dot values. So what values we have in this dictionary in our example? We have, just see what we have in this example. We have 1 and 20. So it will return D dot values function will use to get the value. So it will return 1 and 20. Okay, 1 comma 20. It will return you in the form of list. Just see this practically also. Suppose D dot keys. So it will return you the keys. Okay, D dot values. It will return you the all the values of the dictionary. Okay, so these are the keys and these are the values. What function we have next? The next function is update. Okay, this is very important function, update. What update function will do? If we join, if we have a dictionary, suppose if we have a dictionary in which, suppose in a dictionary in which we have some values and we update this dictionary with another dictionary, so it will update my previous dictionary. Just see this by example. Okay, suppose I have a dictionary D equal to D1 equal to, it needs two dictionary, D equal to A value 20, B value B colon 30. So it has 20 and 30. Okay. Now D2 equal to A comma 50 comma C colon 60. So suppose if I say D1 dot update, D1 dot update and I provided D2. So किसको मैं अपडेट कर रहा हूँ? I am updating D1 by D2. So what it will do? A is present in dictionary D1. A is here. So now the A will update it and its value will be 50. So the resultant dictionary will be A colon 50. B is here, but B is not here. So it will take B colon 30. C is here, but C is not here. So its value will not updated and the item will be added. Okay. So whatever items, whatever keys we match, the values will be updated and the key which is not matched, that will be added in our dictionary. Okay. Just see this by example also. Suppose that dictionary D1 equal to, I create two dictionary here, D1 equal to A colon 20 comma B colon 60. Okay. So the D1 dictionary, now D2 equal to C 30. This is a new element, comma A 90. Okay. So you see here in these two dictionary, I have common A. Okay. So what I am going to say, I say D1 dot update, D1 dot update D2, D1 dot update D2. So what will happen here? A is here. So A की वैल्यू मैं किससे अपडेट कर रहा हूँ? D2 डिक्शनरी के A से. So A की वैल्यू अभी 90 हो जाएगी, B 60 रहेगा और C हमारा एक न्यू एलिमेंट इसके अंदर ऐड हो जाएगा. ओके, जस्ट सी D1. What we have D1. So now it has updated dictionary. Okay, children. The next function is pop. Pop means delete an element from the dictionary. Okay. So next function is pop. So if I say D dot pop and I give here key, जो भी हम की यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो एलिमेंट वहां से डिलीट हो जाएगा और हमको डिस्प्ले भी हो जाएगा. ओके, सपोज नाउ सपोज दिस इज माय डिक्शनरी D1. मैं इसी को ले रहा हूँ D1. ओके, नाउ इफ आई से D1 डॉट पॉप पॉप, D1 डॉट पॉप, और यहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ किसको? D1 डॉट पॉप. यहाँ से मैं A को डिलीट करना चाहता हूँ. सो आई से D1 डॉट पॉप A. So now 20 is deleted. Now you see in the dictionary what we have left in the dictionary, only B is there. Okay, so in the list if we say L dot pop, so by the it will automatically delete the last element. If we will not provide the index, it will delete the last element. But in dictionary it is compulsory to provide the key because lists are ordered but dictionaries are not ordered. Okay. Okay, now next is del statement is here. Del statement is also in list and tuple also, but in dictionary. If suppose we have a dictionary D equal to, suppose we have A colon 20 comma B colon 60. This is my dictionary which has two elements, and we say del D and इसमें किस एलिमेंट को हमको डिलीट करना है. सपोज आई वांट टू डिलीट, if I want to delete A, so A will be deleted from the dictionary. Okay, just see, suppose I take this dictionary again. Okay, so del D1 and I say A. Okay, A, so A will be deleted. Just see, D1 we have in D1, so we have only B in D1. So these are some ready-made functions which are given in dictionary. Okay, so see my previous video about the dictionary, and then you can easily understand what are the different functions of dictionary. Thank